This question says, assuming no friction, at which point does the cannonball move faster? Point A, point B, or if equal, then mark C. So this cannon is aimed up and to the right and is shot with some initial velocity VI. And because it's shot up and to the right, the velocity will have both x and y components. So here we have the initial x component, and here we have the initial y component. And again, together, these will sum to form the overall initial velocity. Now, we remember the question says, assume no friction, which means this x component will remain unchanged throughout the whole of the trajectory. So that initial x component will be present in A, it will be present in B, and so on and so forth. Again, with no friction, the only force acting on the cannonball will be gravity, which is not going to affect the x component of the velocity. Now, the y component, of course, is different because gravity will be acting downwards. So that means in position A, closer to initially being fired, the y component will be larger, and as it moves towards position B, which is in fact the highest point in its trajectory, the y component will eventually be 0. As it continues past point B, the y component will return, growing larger and larger as it gets closer to the ground. And because, therefore, point A has the same x component as B, but a larger y component, it's moving faster than point B. And therefore, the correct answer is A.